Okay, so let's get started and customize all of the textile related products found in our nursery. The first thing I'd like you to go ahead and do is click on the widescreen view to see all the products found in our nursery. As you move from product to product within the nursery, there's a pop-up window that gives you details about the specific products found in the room. Click on any of the products for further details. Click out of that now, and let's go ahead and look at change rooms. You can choose either a classic room or a contemporary room depending on your individual tastes. If you prefer more traditional rooms, you'll choose classic. If you skew more towards modern rooms, you'll prefer the contemporary room view. Now let's go ahead and pick a designer by clicking out of narrow screen view, clicking on the tab that says designer, reviewing all of the designers at RoomsByYou, and then clicking on the arrow in the upper right hand corner to see the collections from a specific designer. Once those collections have loaded, take a look at them all, and then settle on one that you'd like to take a closer look at. Click on Start Slideshow to view all of the surface pattern designs found within this collection. You'll get an expanded view as well as a smaller view of all of the thumbnails found within a specific collection. Click on any of these surface pattern designs and get your expanded view. If you've decided that you actually like this collection, then go ahead and return to the collection itself and click on the arrow in the lower right hand corner that says See Designs. Click on that, and then all of the designs from this specific collection are loaded. Now it's time to actually start customizing your room by dropping and dragging designs. But first, let's get a bigger screen view. You can either choose widescreen or full screen. In this case, I chose full screen. Like to make it even bigger by collapsing the How to Start window found at 9 o'clock, and then begin to drop and drag surface pattern designs into the Room Customizer into those products that I'd like to customize. So let's go ahead and start with customizing the actual window panel found to the left. Then I'll go back and choose the same surface pattern design and drop and drag that design into the curtain panel found on the right. And then I'd like to go ahead and pick a coordinating surface pattern design and drop and drag that into the large decorative pillow found in the center of the room. Now also featured are specific engineered patterns that are meant to go into the wall art found in the room. Go ahead and click on one of those particular engineered prints, drop and drag it into the wall art, and you'll see yet again another example of how all the different designs are meant to coordinate within a specific room. Now, a really interesting feature that we can layer into our room now is actually to go ahead and paint the walls. There are hundreds of colors to choose from. We don't carry interior wall paint yet, but we will. This is just a wonderful added feature to go ahead and complete the look of the room by really understanding how it would look if we were to go ahead and paint it. So let's find the color that we love to coordinate with these textiles and paint the room. Now, while all this has been going on, the retail calculator has been adding all of our customized products to our shopping cart. At any time, we can go back and have the room return to have all white textiles by clearing the room, or one at a time if we want to take specific products out of our retail calculator and out of the Room Customizer, simply click on the X and then that product will return to white. In this case, we deleted the large decorative pillow from the retail calculator, but we might change our minds. We'll go back to the designs found within Quail Trail and we'll drag and drop that design again back into the pillow. Now, at any time, if you want to get a closer look at any of the products that you've customized in the room, simply click on the zoom button to get a closer look. And in addition to zooming, you can go ahead and pan up within the room, pan down within the room, and you can pan right and left within the room. At any point, You can go to the retail calculator and check out. You can add more products and completely customize the entire room. You can tell a friend about your room that you've just customized by sharing that room and clicking on the share button. But prior to that, you'll be asked to save your room, where it will be held for you to then share with your friends, as well as modify the room in the future if you choose to do so. So thanks for your patience while we went through this video demonstration. Have fun. We think this is a wonderful application. You're going to have a great time. Take care.